you will, what he explains first of all, the revelation. So the ladder that connects heaven and earth, and the angels ascending and descending. And later on, we will understand this ladder was Jesus, and Jesus is the one who opens the door of heaven so that we can go to heaven and the angels can come down. The blessing of God can come down to us, and our prayers, our dreams can be realized through Jesus Christ, our Savior. See, this was the vision that Jacob had. So at that moment, he tries to believe, convince himself to remove his own dreams in order to realize the dream that God gave him. And that is what we have to do now, right? As believers. You see, the life of Saint Joseph. Saint Joseph, as a young man, he had a dream of making his own family, of leading a happy life with Mary. But as soon as there comes the intervention of God through the angel Gabriel, Joseph sets apart his own dreams and he accepts the dream of God in his life. And he surrenders his life and he commits himself for the realization of the plan of God in his life, in the life of Mary, and in the life of Jesus.